Do you care if there's a lobbyist lobbying to try to get your interest rate lowered on your property? I hope for your sake that you do. And I hope for your sake that it happens. Because statistics are showing that nothing has changed in reference to the housing market. Now, what does this mean to you? What this means is that your interest rates are going to continue to go up if you're in a variable mortgage. It means that you will own less and less of your property if you fall behind on any one of those payments. It means if you got tricked into being into an interest-only loan that you're not paying off your house. So something's going to have to change. This is not going to change on its own. Something like 20% of the people that are currently in adjustable rate loans will go into foreclosure. I'm a bankruptcy attorney and I can do a Chapter 13 to stop that from happening. But you don't want to be in this position. It's time for Americans to take a hard look at their situation and make a decision. If your house is too expensive for you to live in, it's time to give it back to the bank. The reality is very basic. You can only afford a house for the value that you can afford. As a rule of thumb, we don't even help people go into Chapter 13s unless they make $1,000 more than what their mortgage payment is. I want you to understand that that would never be enough money for somebody to live on. And if you were in that situation and you can't get out of the loan, there are ways through a Chapter 7 bankruptcy that you can even let your house go. But it's time for us as Americans to stop being so house poor and work in another direction. Maybe the legislature will help. Maybe lobbyists will change the rules. But if they don't, then America is going to have to take it themselves and change the rules themselves. Thank you.